Hello students, this is my ninth video related with the topic ratio analysis, liquid ratio calculations. Previous video, that is eighth video, I have discussed about what is liquid ratio and what are the items come under liquid assets and current liabilities. In this video, I am going to show you how to calculate liquid ratio with one example. Liquid ratio of A Limited is 4.5:1. 4.5:1 and liquid ratio is 3:1. If its inventories are rupees 3 lakh, find out its current liabilities, current assets and quick assets. In this question, current ratio and liquid ratio both are given and inventories value also given. We know liquid assets means current assets minus inventories minus prepaid expenses. So for this calculation purpose, one clue is given, that is inventories rupees 3 lakh. So find out its current liabilities, current assets and quick assets. So first here let current liabilities be X. Then current ratio given in the question, that is current ratio is equal to current asset divided by current liability. That is 4.5 divided by 1. So current ratio 4.5 by 1. So current asset is equal to 4.5. This, instead of this current liability, we put X. Then 4.5x. So current asset is equal to 4.5x. Then next, liquid ratio. This liquid ratio given in the question, that is 3:1. So liquid assets divided by current liabilities is equal to 3:1. 3 by 1. Then liquid asset is equal to, here current liability same, x you put, then 3x. So current asset 4.5x, here you write 4.5x. 4.5x and liquid asset 3x. Liquid asset 3x. Then one clue is given or hint given in the question, that is inventories are rupees 3 lakh. Inventories are rupees 3 lakh. Then we know liquid asset is equal to current assets minus inventories and prepaid expenses. But here prepaid expenses nothing mentioned. So liquid asset 3x and current assets 4.5x minus 3 lakhs. Minus 3 lakhs. Then here this value come to this left side, that is 3 lakhs is equal to 4.5. Here this 3x comes to this side, that is minus 3x. 4.5x minus 3x, that is 1.5x. Then x value is equal to 3 lakhs divided by 1.5. That means 2 lakhs. So x value is 2 lakhs. X value 2 lakhs means that current liability, we put that let current liabilities be X. So X value 2 lakhs means current liabilities is equal to 2 lakhs. Current liabilities 2 lakhs. Then if current liability is 2 lakhs, then that X value you put in any equation, then you will get a current asset. Then current asset is equal to 4.5x. Then 4.5 into 2 lakhs. 4.5 into 2 lakhs. That means 9 lakhs. current asset is equal to 9 lakhs. Current liabilities 2 lakhs, current asset 9 lakhs. Then we can easily find out liquid asset. Then liquid asset is equal to current assets minus inventories. Current asset minus inventories. Current asset minus inventories. Current asset, that is 9 lakhs, and inventories value 3 lakhs given in the question. 3 lakhs you deduct. Then liquid asset is equal to 6 lakhs. Liquid asset 6 lakhs. So our question was find out its current liabilities, current assets and liquid assets. So current asset 9 lakhs, current liabilities 2 lakhs and liquid asset is equal to 6 lakhs. So this type of questions, then first one variable or one item, that is current asset or current liabilities, based on the question you put as X. Then on that basis, then you find out the current asset or current liability or liquid asset based on the question. So I hope you understood these calculations. Then I will come with more videos related with the topic liquid ratio. Until then, bye.